Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need two basics before changing keyboards: a current OS and a saved backup. So, start by updating your device, iOS, Android, Windows, or Mac OS, and backup now. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Language and Input or Keyboard. Add or enable the built-in emoji keyboard. Make sure any required language packs or regional settings are installed, then restart the device to let the system register the new input method. Next, install or configure the keyboard you chose. For Android, add Gboard or enable the system emoji keyboard in Settings. For iPhone, add emoji under Keyboards. On Windows, press Win+. And on Mac OS, press Control+ Command+ space to open the picker. If missing, update system fonts. Grant permissions when the app requests them, but avoid unnecessary access. Once configured, make your new keyboard default or switch to it in any app. Then type in Notes to confirm the missing emoji now appears. Finish by testing the emoji in multiple apps: Messages, email, and social apps. If some emojis still show as blank boxes, update or reinstall the affected app and clear its cache, then reboot the device. If the keyboard app behaves oddly, remove and reinstall it and re-enable permissions. One key troubleshooting step: if emoji remain missing system-wide, update or replace the system font set, or use a third-party picker to copy the emoji glyph as plain text or image so you can.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.